Hey everyone, welcome back to Smart 4 Home. In today's video, I'll show you how to add your Ring doorbell to the Echo Show 8 so you can see who's at your door, get live video, and talk to visitors using Alexa. The process is super simple, so let's get started. Step 1. Enable Ring skill in Alexa app. First, open the Amazon Alexa app on your phone. Now tap on More in the bottom right corner. Select Skills and Games, then tap the search icon. Type Ring, and open the official Ring skill. Tap Enable to use. Step 2. Discover Ring devices. Once the skill is enabled, Alexa will automatically discover your Ring doorbell. If it doesn't show up, go to Devices right pointing arrow plus, right pointing arrow add device right pointing arrow camera, and tap Discover devices. In a few seconds, your Ring doorbell should appear in the Alexa app. Step 3. Connect Ring doorbell to Echo Show 8. Now make sure your Echo Show 8 is linked to the same Amazon account. Your Ring doorbell will automatically be available on the Echo Show. You can also assign your Ring doorbell to a specific room, like front door, for easier control. Step 4. Use Alexa voice commands. Here are some useful Alexa commands you can try. Alexa, show me the front door. Alexa, talk to the front door. Alexa, stop. You'll instantly see the live video feed on your Echo Show 8.